It's a host Abhinav Patel and it's Subeh Banaras. So namaste, pranam, and thank you for viewing my vlog. Viewing my vlog. It's good morning time and it's time to get back up on your legs and fight. So here's some news for you guys, especially there is a very trending on Twitter. ये न्यूज़ है कि अगर आपने बनारस के कचौड़ी जलेबी नहीं खाए हैं तो आप प्लीज़ खाइए, क्योंकि न्यूज़ काफ़ी ट्रेंडिंग है और आपको ट्रेंड को फॉलो करना चाहिए. प्लीज़ ट्रेंड को फॉलो करिए. ट्विटर इज़ एवरीथिंग नाउ. सो सेकेंड न्यूज़ इज कमिंग अप इज़ लाइक बट it's not my views on. I'm telling you my views on the news. Is hashtag bad. Let me say that is hashtag boys locker room. The news is so sick, so sad. I really don't want to talk about it on this morning vlog and on this morning show. That's the feel you have so good going on this world. इस world में कितना सही हो रहा है, सब सही चल रहा है लाइफ में, and suddenly this news came and your whole week is gone. So if you don't want to ruin your week, but you need to have some, आपको इसके बारे में जानकारी ज़रूरी होनी चाहिए. If you don't want to ruin your week, don't want to ruin your week. So just don't search about it. But if you want to know about it, and if it's really you really need to know about it because it's so bad, it's so sick, go search on internet and find out about it. It's my duty to tell you, and it's very sick. So moving on, some better news. So I usually write up some quotes, and there is my channel. It's at the rate of Insta Quotes 2.0. So please go follow it up. Link in the description below. So go follow it. I just posted a quote and it's caused some trend up. So it's a quotes it's not some good quote. I'm not professional at it, not perfect at it, but it's okay. I'm just learning some things. A real man knows how to respect a woman because he knows the feeling if someone would disrespect his mother. एक असली मर्द एक लड़की की रिस्पेक्ट करना हमेशा जानता है, क्योंकि उसे हमेशा मालूम रहता है कि अगर उसकी माँ की कोई डिसरिस्पेक्ट करे तो क्या होता है. So and that's the quote that's got trend on my page. And so I have another point of view to say that people who are living in Varanasi and not going to buy wines and alcohols, they are the best people. They are the best people because they have some addiction and they are overcoming for the peoples who are fighting for them. So to strengthen you guys, I have some quote for you. So here's the quote. It's also trending on my page, so please do check it out. We are not here to cure the darkness, but to light the candle that can guide us through the darkness to a safe and a sane future. हम लोग इस कोरोना वायरस की डार्कनेस, इस अंधेरापन को क्योर नहीं कर रहे हैं, बट हम लोग एक कैंडल ज़रूर जला रहे हैं, एक मोमबत्ती ज़रूर जला रहे हैं, ताकि इस डार्कनेस से हम लोग सेफली निकल सके, सुरक्षित निकल पाए इस डार्कनेस से बाहर और एक अच्छी फ्यूचर को एंटर कर पाए. So by this course, I enter this episode. So thank you and namaste. And please stay tuned to my vlogs. It's coming every day at some around 8 to 9 p.m. Early morning vlogs are there. So please hit the subscribe button, like it and comment it and share it. Please guys, please.